Hi friends, now it's 4:30 a.m. and I am flying from Antalya Airport to Ankara Airport to register Milano. In this video I'm gonna show you Ankara, what are the free things to see and do in one day, and how to save money and take the shuttle bus from Esenboğa Airport to Ankara City Center. To go from Esenboğa Airport to Ankara City Center, just immediately after the exit of the domestic flights terminal, you will see big buses or pullmans written on them Havaş or Havas in English. You can jump into one of them and pay inside it 37 Turkish Lira, which is around $2. You can pay by cash or credit card. Also, there is a space in the bus to store your luggage. It is 7:30 now in Ankara. It's 5 degrees Celsius. It's very cold. And the sun is rising. The area here is very nice and it's very modern. It took me about 30 minutes to reach from Esenboğa Airport. Warming up in Ankara in this nice coffee shop. I can see too much cedar trees here in Ankara. Cedar trees usually need too much cold to live. It's really cold here. I am standing here in front of Anıtkabir Mausoleum. It's a building built as a monument for Mustafa Kemal Atatürk. It was built in the 1941. Kemal Atatürk, he was the first president for the Republic of Turkey, and he was the one who declared Turkey as a republic, and he won the war against many countries. I'm going to see the building now. The entrance is for free. The nature here is very nice. The greenery is wonderful. This is a real soldier because he's moving his eyes. First I thought he's just a statue. Oh, that's lovely. Nice architecture. It reminded me of Baalbek in Lebanon. It was built by the Romans. You can find inside the museum all the things that Atatürk was using before. It looks brand new. It's tempting to have a ride in it. It's Lincoln V12. Here you can watch a documentary about Atatürk. It's a small cinema inside. Here is a souvenir shop. Everything is related to the founder of Turkish Republic. This is the tomb of Atatürk. The Turkish people, when they visit the tomb, they pray for him for founding this nice country as a republic. To be honest, Ankara surprised me a lot. it has many historic places to visit and they are nicely built, so I believe it's worth a visit. This is Ankara Castle behind me. I just arrived. This is the entrance. And this is a map showing you the castle from inside. I love such streets. It's pure touristy. Carpets. Nice streets inside. Going to the top. Yes, the stairs are steep, but when I saw this old lady going up, I cannot say anything anymore. Castle, it's closed now. I think there is renovations. Old buildings. Visitors from Turkey and all around the world. Having a quick lunch, gözleme in Turkish, and here is the Turkish signature tea. This is Ankara. It's lovely and it's very much worth a visit. That is good. Let us see if we can find chocolate inside in this doll shop. Definitely nobody likes to travel without getting a souvenir, and I'm gonna get a souvenir from Ankara, adding to our collection at home from each city we visit in Turkey. This nice old man is showing us a Turkish dance. That's lovely. Now I am going to Aslanhane Jami, and I will be taking the items that are free to visit if you come to Ankara in one day. You can find old items here, as old as the castle, I think. Take those items. The pillars are made of wood and the top of it is of rocks. You cannot come inside into a jami with your shoes. You always have to come barefoot. This cat looks hungry. Hello, kitty. I'm going now to Hacibayram Valley Jami. Also, this is one of the free sites to visit if you come to Ankara. Let us see it together. The dome is for the Hacibayram Valley Jami, and the one here beside, this is Ankara Augustus Temple. It's between 27 BC and 14 AD. It's thought to be the first temple built by the Roman emperor, the first Roman emperor. You see, people are praying inside and reading or reciting Al-Fatiha. It's written here in the Arabic letters, La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. It was built in the year 1574. This is the upper floor of the Jami, Hacibayram Jami. Not very far from the traffic jam of Ankara and people rushing, you can find this nice park, take a fresh air. It's called Genişlik Park. If you want to escape the headache of the city and the chaos in Ankara, this is the right place to come. I have seen a lot of old people in Ankara. I was expecting more youth, but I don't know, that's strange. This is what happened to me, you can tell from my videos. Too many old people. But Ankara is not only for politics, it has many universities and it has many historical places. This is Melik Hatun Jami. It's a very nice architecture. We have recently added the super tanks. If you would like to support us to continue making new videos like this one and the rest of our videos, so the super tanks is good from your side. Thank you very much anyway for watching.